Hi. So in this video, we will take some case studies of Module 2, wherein we will try to understand and explore how leading brands leverage data-driven web tools to optimize their online presence. So this presentations, highlights would be three essential tools, which is CMS platforms, HubSpot, Website Grader, and Google Page Speed Insights, and details how Mama Earth, how brand like Mama Earth, Pet Villa, and Craft Nest Interiors transformed their websites for better performance and user experience and growth. So let's figure out. Now, if you see the CMS platforms, so basically we have learned earlier too that there are multiple CMS platforms that are utilized to develop a website, or you can say it becomes the backbone, or this becomes the backend of a websites, right? So the popular CMS, options are WordPress, Drupal, and Joomla from the backbone of most modern websites offering robust content management solutions. So, what these platforms do, these platforms allow brands to publish, edit, and organize the website content without heavy technical skills, ensuring agility and speed. So why these brands utilize such kind of CMS tools? Because so let's say if there is one coder, right? A coder's uh, you know salary is too much, right? So I mean, as a person or as a brand, we can keep, and let's say if we have some pro coders in the back end, so we need to pay a lot to those coders. So basically these you know the developers or coders, so they need to keep these manpower on site and make sure that they work for these brands, but then employing them becomes sometimes, so let's say if there is a startup, right, so it becomes a tedious job for them because they will charge more as salary, right, and these startups do not have that much of financial things, financial background. So therefore most of the startups and most of the companies uh, do such things, right. So why you have learned this thing? Now let's say scalable and user friendly, because these CMS platforms scale from small blogs to enterprise websites, enabling customization and extendability via themes and plugins. Therefore, they become very user friendly. A normal person can learn these things very quickly and pick up things from where they have learned, right. Therefore, making them very comfortable with the CMS platform. So previously it used to be like, previously a coder or a developer used to develop a website, but then as of 2025, you know uh, 64% of all the websites globally rely on such CMS platforms, reflecting their critical role in digital strategy, because brands do not want to leverage that much thing in coding and all those things, because again all those things are complex process, right. So therefore brands tend to adopt these kind of CMS platforms, making sure they run their business swiftly without taking any other headaches. Now, CMS setup, simple steps, big impact. So basically, we have seen how we can register a domain. I mean, initially, while creating a website, first we need to register a domain, and then we need to choose a hosting provider, install the CMS, and select any particular theme, and then uh, adding plugins like Yoast SEO, Divi, WooCommerce, all those things, we can build the complete website, right? So these are the simple steps, and or you can say these are the simple steps that create a big impact in your digital journey. So there are a lot of themes when it comes to installing CMS and selecting themes. You need to be careful like which theme supports the business specifically, right? So initially I remember I created one hospital's website, and uh, we have made things very aesthetically, uh, so basically we have purchased the complete theme from Invanto, and then we have implemented those themes. So making sure we need to come up with mobile responsive theme such as Astra or DV. So these are the themes available, which are free in the market, and then you can ensure seamless user experience. So there are no doubt some complex tasks are there, like there are some functionalities which could be uh, available in a paid theme. So in that case, let's say uh, if you are opting for a paid theme, you need to make sure that you select for a particular functionality that is not available in the free theme, and then you are good to go with creating a proper website by installing a CMS and selecting a proper theme. Then after this thing, we have to have plugins, different types of plugins like Yoast SEO for website search optimization thing, and then we can integrate WooCommerce for e-commerce support kind of thing. So all these things are very, very important plugins that you need to uh, install on your CMS platform, or you can say the WordPress dashboard, so that you do certain functionalities of the website. Now, if you see some case studies, so Mama Earth started with Mama Earth is a brand which started their website from WordPress, and they have implemented e-commerce, theme, and they have optimized their website in a proper way. So they have implemented e-commerce in the backend of WordPress based website, and then they have started in a very simple way, making sure that they have optimized their e-commerce platform very well in the backend, right? So the challenge that Mama Earth used to get, right? Mama Earth's website faced issues with slow performance, poor mobile responsiveness, and limited SEO visibility. Now, these challenges resulted in reduced user engagement and high bounce rates across landing pages. Now, what they did, right? So, they migrated to a lightweight WordPress theme integrated with WooCommerce for improved product navigation, implemented Yoast SEO, and structured schema markup to enhance search engine visibility. So make let me tell you first thing that this they have started when they have started this, they have started using WordPress based website, but then they have switched to some other platform right now, right? Now, so they have redesigned UI with a mobile first responsive layout for seamless shopping across device, and hence making sure their website is so much fluid and so much fast, and it reduced the bounce rates across all the landing pages. Now, what results they have achieved? So, in terms of results, the organic traffic grew by 100%. Bounce rate also dropped by 38%, and the conversion rate increased by 29%. Now, they have built a stronger brand visibility, and repeat customer engagement were achieved. So, using all these things, they have generated a lot of traffic on their website. They reduced they have reduced the friction in their website, making sure that they improve the performance of the website, and you know making sure that they have uh, optimize their website in a way that making sure it is more into mobile responsive, and they have also worked on the SEO part, making sure they have a great you know visitors on their website. Now, understand there is one tool, HubSpot website grader, which gives you instant performance insights, right? So basically, if you see this HubSpot website grader, they have comprehensive analysis which evaluates key metrics like site performance, SEO, mobile responsiveness, and security status. So with this, you can check your websites too, and it will generate you the prioritized steps. They'll give some actionable recommendations, making sure that you change and you work on your website, and you overcome all those challenges that you are facing from your website, right? So since I mean, the HubSpot website grader is wide adopted over across the world, right? Therefore, it has a great presence and user experience. And then, it is trusted by over around 1 lakh uh, websites worldwide. So therefore, you can rely on this particular tool. Now, quickly, what you can do, you just have to enter the website URL. Start by typing your website URL into the HubSpot uh, website grader tool. You need to review detailed reports, analyze performance scores, and specific areas requiring improvement. Prioritize fixes, focus on high impact recommendation for greater return on optimization efforts.